Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore the dislike button on YouTube. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So first you need to open your Chrome browser. Now paste this link I will give in description. Now you need to click on this Chrome. You see this Chrome browser, you see, click on it. Now click on add to Chrome. So this is download, processor will be completed, you see. Now close it. Now reopen it. Now click on this three dots. Now settings. Now click on it. Now you see this YouTube dislike. Enable this option. Now close it. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.